I'm Lori Sagot Aguspina. I'm manager of the Research Development Center of Mossman. And I've been working here for 22 years. For 22 years, no, nakakita kong critical na problema dito sa banana plantation ay yung mga vascular diseases like Panama disease, Moco, Bachetap, and of course yung mga pests, no, like scale insect, the mealybug, and the aphids. In which naka-apekto sila na nakadami sa aming fruit quality, in which leading to decreasing in our productivity. Marami kaming sinusubukan ng mga insecticides to control these insects. And isa na dito, yung sinusubukan namin ngayon in collaboration with Bayer Crop Science, ang Movento 240 SC. Una naming sinubukan ang Movento in bud injection to control our thrips since 2020. So with that, we tried to work with Bayer to test on stem and mat operation to control our scale insect, mealybug, and aphids. So sa ngayon nakita namin na epektibo siya since yung mga incidence ng mga insekto na ito is nag-lower. So sabi ko nga na ang Movento is nasubukan namin na mabisang pang-control ng thrips. So ngayon very worth it siya na gamitin ng bananero to control those pests, no, like scale insect, mealybug, and aphids through stem and mat operation. And maganda din itong pang-addition ng ating integrated pest management.